It's Windows 8 time at Harvey Norman. I'm here with my favourite technology expert, Charlie Brown. So Charlie, we're talking Windows 8. What are some of the features that you're loving?
Touch is primarily the thing that you'll notice being the biggest difference between Windows 8 and earlier versions of Windows. And the thing about Touch is you'll jump onto your start screen, which is the first place that you'll land on the PC, and you'll notice that instead of icons, there are tiles, and the tiles are populated with the content that you choose to have. For example, you'll have an email tile, a weather tile, but the email tile will have your latest emails, if that's what you choose to be shown. Your weather tile will have the latest weather if that's what you're choosing. And what it allows you to do is really personalize that start screen so that you don't actually have to jump into individual programs to be able to get access to information and information that you need regularly. You'll just look at it straight on the start screen. But Touch as well is a new thing for a lot of people. I mean, we've used Touch on tablets, obviously. So instead of a mouse, you're using your hands or your finger. Instead of a keyboard, you're using the virtual keyboard. Now, people have used virtual keyboards on tablets before, and most people are comfortable with that. You've got that choice. You can plug into the Windows 8 PC via USB a real keyboard if you really want to. I don't think people will over time. I think they'll get more and more comfortable with just using what's on the screen.
So it's a very personalised experience. Now, Microsoft has done a lot of work on search here. What's search like on Windows 8?
Well, this is search, and search is very different on this PC. And in the past, you typed the word into the search box and off it went searching the computer. What this does is it will search the files and what's in your files. It will search within each individual application as well. So, for example, if you're into AFL, you put it into the search box, you'll search the web through Bing, you'll search your desktop and the files that are within your C drive. It'll go further, it'll search the apps that you have. You might be interested in buying some AFL merchandise. Well, you can have it searched through eBay just by clicking on the eBay app. So search is spread a lot further than just what's in your computer and what's on the internet. It's now looking at all the different services that you're regularly using as well. And I think for a lot of people, they'll find that a lot better search experience than what they do now.
And Charlie, our computers are always on now, and Windows 8 is very much about fast startup. What's that all about?
It is, it's fast. And we noticed fast boot up with PC through ultrabook. That was seconds rather than minutes. Tablets have got fast boot up. Windows 8 is going to have fast boot up across the board. So it doesn't matter whether it's an all-in-one or a tablet or an ultrabook or a regular laptop. You are going to have fast boot up across the board, and I think that's going to mean that you can use your computer for short turnaround bits of information that you need, rather than the whole, turn your computer on 5 minutes later, you're using it because you've just gone and made a coffee while it's booting up. That stuff is going to go.
So changing technologies is always interesting. What might be some of the things that people think are challenging in moving to Windows 8?
Well, if you've got a PC today, you've got your entire digital life on that PC, and there's all these different aspects of photos, music, movies, all of those kinds of things, plus all the software that's sitting on that PC. Now, if you're going to say to someone, okay, well, here's Windows 8, yes, it's better, some of those people will be a bit reserved in saying, well, hang on, how do I get from where I am to Windows 8, which is be a challenge for some people, may cause them to pull back a bit and say, look, you know what, I'm going to keep going with what I've got.
And Charlie, Harvey Norman's recognised that, so now with every purchase of a great new Windows 8 Ultrabook, laptop or all-in-one, we're bundling in Tech to Home premium phone support. So taking all of the guesswork and making it really easy out of connecting to all of your devices that you've got at home, your wireless network, and preserving all of those great memories. So if you're interested in a new Windows 8 Ultrabook, a laptop, or all of these cool devices, head into Harvey Norman and check them out.